Is sensitivity to loud noises a sign of autism?
Ever noticed your child covering their ears, crying, or reacting strongly in noisy environments? This could be a sign of sensory processing challenges or sound sensitivity, often linked to sensory processing disorder, SPD, or autism spectrum disorder, ASD. Some children experience hyperacusis, an increased sensitivity to everyday sounds. This can make loud, unpredictable environments feel overwhelming and stressful. Use noise-reducing headphones. Plan ahead. Visit places during quieter hours. Create safe, quiet spaces at home. Offer deep pressure techniques for calming. Child experiences the world differently. With the right support, they can thrive.